Ever felt like starting a business and finding a job that doesn't feel like work? Synergy has been helping people do just that for over 25 years. We provide a health and wellness business plan that you can be part of, helping to transform lives through cutting-edge nutrition with formulas based on Nobel Prize-winning science and unrivaled quality. Synergy combines the best of science and nature to provide unbeatable, holistic health solutions. To ensure our product superiority, we test the purity of our ingredients to the part per trillion. That's like finding a specific drop of water in 21 Olympic-sized swimming pools. We've helped millions of people around the world achieve their health, wellness, and financial goals. And we can help you with a flexible income opportunity that lets you create the work-life balance you want. You set the income goals, and we'll give you all the training and support to set you up for success. When you join the Synergy team, you'll get access to a fully stocked online store that allows you to sell to anyone around the world 24/7. Plus, we'll give you the knowledge to hold consultations and health workshops with friends, family, and others, enabling you to make a real difference in people's lives. Be more with Synergy.